During Ramadan, Sehri provides the energy needed to fast throughout the day, choosing foods that support digestion and hydration. Fennel seeds contain fiber, antioxidants, and key minerals that support digestion and protect cells. These nutrients aid metabolism and overall health. During Ramadan, Sehri provides energy for the long fasting day, choosing foods that support digestion and hydration. Many people experience acidity during fasting hours. This helps improve digestive comfort during the day.
Soaked fennel seeds or fennel water can help support hydration. They stimulate reduce dryness during long fasting hours.
Fennel seeds contain fiber that slows digestion. As a result, energy levels may stay more stable during fasting.
Chewing fennel seeds after Sehri may help keep breath fresh during fasting. This supports oral hygiene throughout the day. You can consume fennel seeds in small amounts during Sehri. Half to 1 be used as fennel tea or soaked fennel water. Fennel seeds are a simple natural addition to Sehri meals. They may support digestion, hydration, and overall comfort during Ramadan. If for more simple health tips and educational videos, stay connected with Curafit. Thank you for watching.